I'll guide you through the step-by-step methods to dispute an American Express credit card charge, including key pre-dispute checks, valid reasons for filing, and what to expect during the investigation. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. American Express is known for strong card member purchase protection, but completing a few initial checks before opening a formal billing dispute can help resolve simple errors faster or prevent unnecessary claim delays. First, verify the merchant name online using the billing descriptor on your statement. They often show a parent company name, corporate entity, or third-party payment processor rather than the consumer brand name. Check your email and junk folders for digital receipts, order confirmations, or automated annual subscription renewal notices. If you made a purchase in another currency, double-check whether exchange rate conversions account for the difference in the final billed amount. Ensure the transaction is processed and not pending, as pending charges cannot be disputed. It's recommended to wait approximately 4 business days for the transaction to post under your processed transactions. If contacting the merchant fails to resolve the issue, you can file a formal dispute for any of the following reasons: an unrecognized charge made on your card that you or an authorized user did not make, being billed more than the agreed-upon price, being charged 2 or more times for a single transaction. You returned an item or cancelled an order according to policy, but the seller failed to issue a credit. Items or services you paid for were never delivered or were cancelled by the business. Received items arrived damaged, defective, or significantly different from what was advertised. You paid using cash, check, or another credit card, but Amex was still charged. If you notice unrecognized charges from multiple different merchants, do not use online forms. Call the customer service number on the back of your card immediately to report potential card compromise. To use the online live chat, log into your online account or mobile app with your user ID and password. Open the live chat window to connect with a customer care professional who will initiate the dispute for you. To use telephone support, call the dedicated customer service phone number located on the back of your physical card to open a dispute with a representative. Once submitted, Amex investigations generally take up to 6 to 8 weeks, though many simple claims resolve in about 30 days. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.